In the meantime, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson is this evening defending the security force's decision to detain more than 100 children as part of the dragnet under the state of emergency. The Commissioner was speaking at a Rotary Club of Kingston luncheon at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in St Andrew earlier today. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson was there and has this primetime news report.
105 children have been taken into custody under the state of emergency in St. James. The Commissioner of Police, Major General Anthony Anderson, said the security forces would rather not take minors into custody, but he said those taken in are not all innocent.
80 were 17 years old, 19 were 16 years old, 5 of them were 15, and 1 was 13 years old. The 13-year-old, one of the 15-year-olds, and a 16-year-old were charged for murder. 4 more were charged for other gun offenses, and 2 for sexual offenses, including rape. And 21 of those were known gang members.
General Anderson pledged that the mistakes made in the St. James state of emergency won't be repeated in the other states of emergency in sections of St. Andrew, Kingston and St. Catherine. He did not specify the mistakes, but the public defender told a parliamentary committee recently that she found human rights breaches under the St. James state of emergency, including unsanitary conditions and poor diet in detention facilities.
Errors made in the beginning of the first one have not been repeated, and those are not the current circumstances. Within all 3, people held across under the 3 states of emergency are under 200 at the moment.
The Commissioner also made it clear that only intelligence-driven decisions will determine when the security forces will be scaled down in St. James. Since the state of emergency was declared in the parish in January, there have been 200 fewer murders. That's down 70% when compared to the same period last year.
When I go down there, that people say, never let it end. Now, we know that we have to at some point, but we do not want to be captured by any narrative that is going to cause us to end it prematurely. Let the lives of those people, those red dots or red bodies on that map, let's keep it low. Let's go lower than this.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.